you out, breathe you in. You keep coming back to tell me you're the one who could have been, and my eyes see it all so clear. It was long ago and far away, but it never disappears. Try to put it in the past, hold on to myself and don't look back. I don't wanna dream about all the things that never were. Maybe I can live without when I'm out from under. I don't wanna feel the pain. What could put it to me now? I'll get it all figured out when I'm out from under. So let me go, just let me fly away. Let me feel this space between us growing deeper and darker every day.